Hey guys, welcome to Debug.School. Today we are going to learn about SonarQube. SonarQube is an open source platform for continuous inspection of code quality. It's a tool to measure and analyze the quality of source code. It is developed with a main objective in mind: make code quality management accessible to everyone with minimal efforts. Anything that affects code base from minor styling details to critical design errors is inspected and evaluated by SonarQube, which helps software application developers to identify the issue and its effect.
But before that, let me ask you a few things. Are you dreaming of a career with higher pay and more responsibilities? Or are you ready to take your skills to the next level this year? Then start investing in DevOpsSchool certification level courses, which will help you to emerge skills for a wide range of entry level roles and as well as higher potential future positions. But with thousands of courses online and in classroom worldwide, finding the right one for your career goals can be difficult. You can consider our courses like Agile Developer, Agile QA, DevOps Certified Professionals, Site Reliability Engineering, DevSecOps, and Masters in DevOps Engineering, where you will have access to well-structured, easy-to-follow course content that has been developed and will be delivered by industry professionals. You can join on our training programs globally through online platforms, and if you are looking for classroom workshops, then we have regular sessions available in Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Delhi NCR, Mumbai, and in Pune. Simply compare our many courses, find the one that suits your style and schedule best, and start today.
Yes. Now I'm going to log in CentOS. Click OK, apply. So now here this is the CentOS. Now here one thing is while installing it, SonarQube do not require root. Okay, so understand that, because for searching and indexing they use Elasticsearch, which is for the search and index. So be mindful about it. So here I am normal user only. Okay, so now I'm going to download SonarQube. Before that, I'm going to install this Java. So sudo, this is the Java installation. Okay, meanwhile I'll download the JDK11 also. Download JDK11, which I don't have, so in background I'll keep downloading. So here this is the Windows package. Here I'll click and download. I accept. In the background I'm downloading JDK11. Okay, it's required some permission, so I think, let me check. Do I have accounts here? Okay. Rajesh, SCM Galaxy. Okay, so here Rajesh Kumar, job title DevOps engineer, work phone 81058 DevOps School, Bangalore, Bangalore. So created account. What is this? Okay, so I got this email. Let me validate it. So go to the email ID. I'm still waiting for it. Still waiting for it. Okay, so I think I'm still waiting for it. Didn't send an email so far. So we'll try OpenJDK installation also. So here OpenJDK is free. So download. Stuck in same website. Download should get started, but it's not started so far. So here it is. Same thing. Let me try. At least download has started. Login has not happened, so it's okay. No problem. So now in Linux, the Java got installed here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to download SonarQube in Linux. So SonarQube download. Now here, click here. You can see the version 8 is there. So I will download the community edition. So I click on it here and I get the URL, direct URL. And here, wget. Wget is not there in Linux. Yum install wget. Sudo yum install wget. Here, I'm downloading the SonarQube right now. Okay, so here I got this SonarQube. I have to download unzip also. Say sudo yum install unzip. Why? Yeah, done. So unzip SonarQube, done. So here SonarQube is also here. So I got the SonarQube. Java is already installed. Java you see here. I have one version. Java 11 is already installed. So now I am to need to run this. So if you go in SonarQube here, you will see these are the directory structure. Okay. So we should understand that what exactly this is. So these are the commands I run in the Linux, which I'm going to share with you. These are the commands I run. In the notes itself, I'm giving it. So nothing else I have run. So you can understand this. So here, these are the things. So what is this? This is the place where start stop command is there. Start stop script is there for this. Here configuration for config file is there. Config file of SonarQube. Here is a directory where H2 database will be there. Is for trial. Okay, if you can set up MySQL, then you can have it. This is Elasticsearch, which I was talking about. For searching and indexing now extension here you can install the plugin, install plugins. Here libraries, this is a SonarQube application file, application jars. This is the logs, temp and web, HTML, CSS and stuff like that. HTML, CSS, JS and all. Okay, so this is the structure. So here start stop command is here, config is there in the conf. So I'll look in the config file. There's one file which is called property file. So let's look in this. This is the property file. If you look at the property file here, lots of entries are there. Lots of. You can set the port number. You can set the database, MySQL, MS SQL, H2, whatever it is. Lots of other configurations are there like a queue, JDBC, and 9000 is a default port. Many options are there here. Okay, so you have to go through each and every options one by one with a calm mind. LDAP options, CCC, LDAP here. Okay, and stuff like that. Okay, so this is the SonarQube. Now I'm going to start this. So go to the bin here and go to the operating system, which is Linux 64-bit for my case right now. And here go to the Sonar SH and start. I'll just start it. Let me check the status. It's running. One more time, check the status, running. And finally, you will access SonarQube on this port 9000. Here it is. Okay, so now this is the SonarQube which is up and running and required this one. So now in order to run, what are the command I run? Let me share with you. These are the commands. So all the commands you have it here only in the notes, which I'll share with you at the end of it. Okay, so far any questions, guys?
Yes, mate. So you said there's bin contains the start stop, and the config contains the configuration files, and there is data that contains the database files, right? Is it the configurations for only the configurations for database?
H2
Only for
database.
H2.
Yeah, for try.
Okay, one second.
Set it up separately.
Understood. Okay, cool. So extensions will have the plugins.
Yeah.
Okay. I think logs, there's a folder called logs that will have all the logs and stuff locally. And I just wanted to know, because when I was installing, when I was trying this thing out, the tool, I mean, we were asked to make a lot of changes in the properties.config file. You know, to point to the Java location, this and that, and God knows what not. Is it something just for Windows or?
Windows, I'll show you this now. Okay.
Please, bro.
So, are you were installing the SonarQube server or something else? Maybe you are trying to install some linting tool or something. SonarQube lint is there.
No,
which is for the
we tried SonarQube server, the developer one.
With Postgres.
No, sir. Not sure about it, because I downloaded in front of you and installed it, right? You didn't ask me.
Sorry?
I downloaded in front of you and installed it in front of you, so nothing it asked me.
Yeah, nothing. It didn't ask. Yeah, that's what it's running. Again, it is running, right? The thing, the instance.
Yeah. Okay.
That's just
so
weird.
Now,
anyways, yeah, go on, please. Yeah.
So the user ID is ADMIN, password is ADMIN123, or password itself. So PASSWRD, ADMIN. Yeah. So user ID is ADMIN, default password. You can change it also later. So close. Now this is your SonarQube server. So as part of the architecture, which we wanted to run SonarQube server, which has the rules, database, web, Elasticsearch. As per the discussion here, you have a database also, web, which you are able to see that here, and there's a rules here. You can look at this. So this is the rules. Now server is ready. Now we need to now, because of the demo, you asked for the demo in Windows. So let me do that in Windows also. So I'm showing in the Windows right now. So tools, here it is. Now I'm installing the Java. Probably I might require the restart. I don't know. So if it is required the restart, I'll just show you that.
No, for Java, I don't think so. It requires a restart.
Probably because 11 I have not installed in my desktop so far. Okay. And
no, I installed it. Didn't ask for a restart. That's why I'm saying. Usually, I thought Java asked for a restart, but this one didn't.
Okay, and SonarQube server, which is extracting it. Okay, so I click on the installer. It should install it. Let's check it out. So I extracted it, same download. Now, still I'm yet to get a prompt for installation. Yes, here it is. Okay, so here installing this, I want to install in this directory. Change. Okay, next. Okay, so let it continue. Finally, this is the first thing which we got it. Now, second thing is you need a source code. So from where you get the source code? Now source code you can get it from the any technology, which I said. Now which are the technology? So let me tell you here. SonarQube here. Now SonarQube Pro supports multiple languages. SonarQube community supports almost 11 languages. Something. Okay, so if you see here, SonarQube product, and here features multi-language, and you see these are the languages which is supported here. Now not everything is supported by community version, so be mindful about it. Okay, 22 languages I think is there, right? 22 languages. 5, 6,
Hey,
18.
can I interrupt and ask you something?
Yeah.
Does it
Yeah.
support .NET applications, like web applications written in .NET framework and in C#?
Okay, so understand the concept here. Here you have a .NET. Now
It's got C#,
Yeah.
it's got Swift.
that is it's supported here.
That's C++, right?
No, I think it's a C# also, I guess. So I'll do one thing.
The
Let
C#
me check.
is there, that's a second language. But I want to know if it supports C# code written on top of .NET platform.
Okay, understand this. .NET is a framework. Okay, ultimately code what you write, either you write in HTML, CSS, or C#.
Understood.
Yeah.
Understood.
So here when you
so it supports it. It shouldn't be a problem.
Yeah. So here one more thing. SonarQube do not support any tools. SonarQube supports with the help of plugins, and that is where we see here. These are nothing but the plugins actually. So when it says supports, that means plugins is available for this. Inbuilt SonarQube has nothing without a plugins. So if you see here, if you are on .NET, then you should try this. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript is also should be there somewhere. Here it is. So these are the .NET. Yeah, straight.
True. Got it.
Okay. So now I was doing something. Yeah. So these are the languages which is supported. So I need a source code. So now I need a source code. So from where we download. So I have a few sample source code which I'm going to use for the demo. Right. So GitHub. I'll go for this source code. Now here I'll go for SonarQube. Okay, this is a sample source code in Java. Now actually you need a .NET. So let's do one thing. Let's copy from their website itself .NET sample source code, because SonarQube manages their one public repository also. SonarQube for the sample code. So here this is the Sonar source, and in that you have scanning example. See here. So here you can use a scanning example, different kind of source code, example source code. Okay, so multiple things are there here. Okay, so here these are the scan things. So if I see here, this is a Gradle, this is a Maven, this is a C#. So this is what I need right now. So I will download this in my server. So at one place here I will get git is there, no? Yum install git-y sudo okay. So yum install git clone. So I clone this repository. So I got a multiple source code which is here. I'll move this guy to SRC. Okay.
This SRC is CentOS is SRC. Which SRC is this for?
SRC means source code. here.
No,
you record
where is the folder?
Here it is, right?
Is it? It's in the desktop, is it? Okay, cool. Home folder. Right, got it.
So here, if you go, here you have a source SonarQube. Here is a source code. Okay, I'll delete this guy, which is not needed right now. Okay, so here is the SonarQube server. This is the source code. Okay, so this second elements also we got it. So we got the SonarQube server. We got the source code. Now this, by the way, this process I'm showing you manual. If you do in the Maven or MS build, little bit change, the process will change. Okay, right now I'm showing you the manual, and Jenkins is a plugins. So this is the source code. Now I need a scanner. So scanner is here. Okay, I'm going to download it. Let's download the scanner. So first of all, before running, I must check the source code also. So here, src, there's a different source code here. This is the Maven. This is the Gradle. This is the MS build. This is the manual. This is the manual. If you look at this manual here, there must be some property file. Here it is. Okay, so now this is the source code. Now I'll look for the C#, which is MS build. This is the C# code. Okay, so here this is the C#, and this is the SLN file, Visual Studio SLN file, solution file, some directory and stuff like that, and you can read this file. So first thing, I'll show you manual and then MS build. Okay, so first thing manual, then MS build. Okay, so here, how do we run manual? So I need a source code. I got it. Where is the scanner, by the way? So scanner, I have to download it. So from where? So you can download SonarQube scanner, download. You can find the different kind of scanner here on this. And you see here, look at it very carefully. These are the scanners is available for you: Java Gradle, MSBuild.net, and Maven Java, Azure DevOps, Jenkins, and manual. This is a manual way. Okay, if you want to do manual download, then you go install through the Jenkins. There will be plugins and Maven. These are the way. So you have to download the scanner. So I'm going to download the scanner right now. So
hey, sorry, mate. What is Gradle, Maven, and stuff?
These are the builders.
Jenkins.
It's like MS Build.
MS Build is for Visual Studio, no? For C# .NET applications.
MS Build is a.
That's like the manifest file. Yeah.
No, it's a builder tool. Okay. It's a builder tool. Now build tool for .NET. So same way, Gradle is a build tool for Ruby. Maven is a build tool for Java, and is a build tool for many languages. Jenkins is a CI tool, like that.
Okay. So Gradle is okay. So right, got it. Understood.
Yeah. So here I'm showing you manual ways to understand the flow in exactly. Then it will be very easy to understand for you. Okay. Okay. So
so if I have to do something for C, then I have to select this manual thing, Sonar scanner, right?
Manual. Everything except if you have not listed here, that means manual. That's the reason I'm showing you manual. Okay.
Okay. Wait, Ant is for something. What is for Ant?
Ant is also build tool for Java and .NET, C++, C++.
And C.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. So here I wanted to run server, that is running. I wanted to get the source code. I got it. Sample source code. You can run on your source code. And then I wanted to download the scanner, which is Thirdle. So right now I need a 64-bit. So I will download in the box itself. So I go here, wget download zip file. So this I'm doing in the Linux. Parallelly, I'm doing in the Windows also. I'll do that.
Thanks for watching. If you liked our SonarQube session so far, please enroll for our channel membership $399 plan to get access of all the parts. Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@DevOpsSchool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the $399 plan and grow your skills immensely.
Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest.
Thanks for watching.